You all require awareness of the consciousness. And constant awareness of the consciousness leads to complete awareness. Constant awareness of consciousness leads to awareness. So, this cycle of constant awareness of the consciousness along with the awareness, both of them combine together to bring out the presence of the mind. Today, you all have presence of mind, not all time, but every time you only have awareness when it comes to rasa, gandha, rupa, sparsha and shabda, the 5 tanmatras. And all these 5 tanmatras are more prominent because you are all trained to have, and you are naturally inclined to have what we call senses. The moment a man is born, even a doctor, even a midwife, even your father and mother teach you phonetics of language through words. Phonetics means how to innotate or how to innotate, how to invent voice. So as we are born, over a period of 1 year, we start telling Amma, Appa, We do that. This is basically innovation of the sound syllable. All the sound syllables, the guttural sounds come out from us. That is what we are blessed with. Then our father and our mother then tune us or train us to hear proper sounds and listen and understand. Certain amount of our consciousness is triggered. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚೈತನ್ಯದ ಭಾಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಕಲಿಸಿರೋತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶಬ್ದಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ 1 ವರ್ಷದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ದ ಮದರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಮದರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ the emotions what we prescribe. So rasa, gandha, rupa, sparsha, shabda, the 5 tanmatras are given to us by God. So then what happens when we stabilize ourselves not by reciting A B C D or A E E, we are born natural. And the way we are born natural is automatically the consciousness is triggered by the divine consciousness called as God or whatever. We are completely covered by our own consciousness. So whichever religion you are, as we know, we are all in the Sanatana Dharma religion. It is not a philosophy. It is that eternal Dharma. It is our Dharma which makes us to understand through our physical mother first, and then our relatives also join with us. Our friends, it's only our relatives. Chikama, Dodama, and all that, they join with us, and especially Tata, Ajji, the grandfather, the grandmother, they join with us to make us focus and make them recognize them through clarity visually. So the visual expression of all our close and near relatives form us the total syllables where God has given us. The total syllabus or syllables is called as God's energy or God's consciousness. So whichever religion we are, we first understand God's energy through us. So that is why in Sanatana Dharma, it is told that we have the basic principle called as Om. In Sanatana Dharma, it is called as Om. And in Christian philosophy, as well as Christian Dharma, the mother and father or the great man in that family always teaches us as a father or padre or whatever it is, he teaches us called as Omen or Amen. A-M-E-N. So, in Sanatana Dharma, it is called as Om, and in Christian philosophy, it is called as Amen. Okay? This is nothing but the syllable which is inside us is unlocked by our head of whatever religion we are formed. So our supreme head, right now our parents or our grandfather teaches us the syllables of expression, and the basic expression when we grow, it is called as Om. That is why in whichever syllable it is. So first this Om is split in the form of syllables as or Amma, 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 Amma. So everywhere it is called as, in Sanatana Dharma, it is called as Amma. Then the tutor, the one who happens to be our grandfather or grandmother, comes and teaches us Amma, Amma. As we go on telling this word Amma, 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 then the Guru, called maybe the uncle or the maternal uncle or the Chikapa or the Dodapa, father's brothers or mother's sisters, they come in and they teach us how the whole world or the word is again expanded. So Om is expanded to Amma, then it comes Appa, then it becomes Amma, then it becomes Mama, then it becomes Mami. So in English it is called as Mother, Ma, or Chikama, or Appa, or Father. Like this, the sound expands. So when the sound expands, the basic thing is only Om. Amma gets shortened with Om, and Om gets expanded with Amma, Appa, Mama, Mami, all this is expanded. Why I am telling you is because we have had a gap. So I am trying to reinvent your spiritual wheel along with that religious wheel inside. Because the new place, new jaga. So what happens is you have to come back to make your footing very solid, not only in spirituality, the whole new place has to give you a solid footing. Your heart is already solid. Your emotions are getting solid and getting better and better. But unless and until you know how these words have come out, you see, that is why then what happens, as this feeling goes okay, then after 6 months, we all cling to a particular personality. It may be a male personality, can be appa, mama, or whatsoever. Then a female personality called as mami. Mami becomes ammi or auntie. So in natural way, these sounds come out from our mouths. But in English philosophy, it is uncle and auntie. This is basics thing. But first you have to understand, to go deeper into spirituality in a new place, in the new surroundings, we have to first understand, and I am trying to make you orient with the vibrations from the ground. Your feet have to be firmly established in a new place, in a new surroundings. That is why it's a simple thing, not that you don't know, but I'm just reinventing your base, that's it. First of all, you have to reinvent your base. That is why we are telling this. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹೊಸ ಅನುಭವ ಆಗಿ ಮರೆತು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೊಸ ಅನುಭವ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೂಲ. ಆ ಮೂಲ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಊರಿದ್ದೀರ. ಪಾದ ಊರಿದರೆ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ರೀತಿ ವಿಸೆ ತನ್ಮಾತ್ರಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹೊಸ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ರಾದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ವಿಷುವಲ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಟು ಅ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಫುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುಯಾಲಿಟಿ. So what happens? This is like a new place for you, but the vibrations are the same like the old ashram. So we have now re-established in a new place, but we are bringing back the same vibrations what you experienced there. Okay? So this is what it is. Now coming back to the vibration part. Now what happens? You have to, the vibration part is your foot has to now understand, through your feet you have to understand how the vibrations are. This is the beauty of this place.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.